This is the video to learn how to convert your PDF into video. So search or click this one, notebook LM. It will ask permissions, so click on OK. Now create new. Now select your PDF. Now once this process complete, in this right side panel, here is the option video. Click this pen icon. Here select your required language. Then just click on generate. Now wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It's working and generating your PDF into video. And in the same way you can convert your YouTube website, and there are some more options into video, same method. And once this complete, you can play and you can edit with any video editor. And there are some more options. You can create mind map, audio overview, flashcard report, and quiz. So thanks for watching. Now once this complete, just click this play icon. Wait for a few seconds. Click on play.
तो चलिए आज रूमी की सबसे महान रचना मसनवी की गहराइयों में उतरते हैं। देखिए आकर वो अपनी उसी जुदाई का रोना रो रही है। यही वो एहसास हमारे अंदर से भी वो दिव्य संगीत निकल सके।
Like this. Thanks for watching.